It's me, Code 1996. I'm sorry, but in the middle of my last video, my camera shut off, even though it said it had an hour and a half left of battery power. But, this is as far in as to the big mess as we got. You can see there's still a whole bunch of big mess on the floor that we need to clean up. But, I filled the bin up all the way to the top. So, I'm going to show you how it is to empty when it's this full. You know, I don't know if you'll fill it up as much as I did, all the way up to the top past the max line, but you can see it's really full. So it worked all the way until this clogged right here with dirt. So it was fantastic. So all you have to do is hit this red button here, and actually I'm going to pull the rainbow over because, you know, I hate dust. So I'm going to pull this over while I empty. You'll be able to see all the dust going to the rainbow. You can see a lot of the dirt is stuck in there. I'm going to give it, shake it around. There's actually a little thing right here on the back, right here, that you can use to stick up there and pull out the dirt, just like so. Ton of dirt packed in here. It doesn't have that big of a bin. The bin is pretty small, so because all this dirt could be picked up by the other Dyson. You can see getting out all that dirt. This tool comes in handy. Now the majority of it is out, I'm going to, there's a button here, you push that comes off, and the rest of the dirt now falls to the bottom. You can see all the dust is in the cyclones. Just put it back on, like this right here. You gotta make sure you put the front in first, and then pop the back down, like so. Now that it's completely empty, I am not, even though this whole canister right here is dirty, now that the airflow is toward the bottom, so it doesn't matter if it gets dirty at the bottom, on the outside, because all the airflow comes from the top. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to take this dirt, I'm going to turn on the Dyson, and we're going to see how much more of this mess we can pick up before we go back over with the other Dyson. Oh, I think there's a clog. Hold on. Let's look. Yes, there was a clog from when I was cleaning it up. Alright, so let's push that down in there. All this right here. Put that back down on the ground. Shake it off. Blow it. Alright. Now let's turn it on. There we go. Alright. See, it picked up that hair. Take that tool out. It does have really pretty good hard floor performance. Carbon fiber filament in the brush floor. Alright, let's go to this run, see if there's any agitation, and I'm not seeing much of any agitation right there. It's just sucking it in. That's really grounding. Takes a couple passes to get it up. Due to the fact that it's not a powered brush tool, it is an air-driven turbine brush tool. I don't know why, because I watched a CNET video where Dyson, see what, listen to that. Some of that stuff went get brushed up. There we go. I watched a CBC video where Dyson says it has the DC23, I believe, had a powered brush bar, so you didn't have to perform it away from the vacuum to power it, which is exactly what this is doing, taking away performance. Finish this rug. It did take some of it away from it. Alright, let's go in here on the Berber carpet after we do this. You can hear it pick up everything from the crack. It cleans the cracks of the floor really good due to those carbon fiber brushes. I think if they added that to the multi-floors, it would work so much better at cleaning out the cracks. Instead of just having the suction, having those brushes go, you know. Taking all that up. I feel some of it kicking back at my feet. Maybe that's why you need to do this and slow down the brush flow. And then it's not going to clean out the surfaces that's going to have it run airflow. So we have this here. You can instantly hear when I put it down that the brush roll starts slowing down. So let's see. No agitation again. You can see it picking up the dirt. It does push some of it, like the rabbit part. Or droppings, I should say, not parts of a rabbit. Alright, let's go over this a couple times. It's really ground in there. You can hear all that, it's picking up. Alright, we're almost done with this one. It still looks like it's a little dirty there to me, where all that dirt was. So let's go back over this one more time, pick up as much as we can. Before we go back over the upright focus board. Alright. So you can see how full the bin has gotten. It has a really small bin. I do not like that at all. This center portion here is too big. There's only like this much space between the outer part of the bin and the center cyclone. That needs to be a little bigger, at least this big, to be able to really fit all that dirt in there good and be able for it to pop out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2015 model with that advanced brush bar that's powered, of course. Let's move the rainbow that's on the cord. Alright. Now let's go back over this mess and see everything that the other one left behind. Already you can see all that dirt coming in. You can see the agitation. Look at that. Look at all that dirt that was left in the carpet. And I went over this. All the particles that left in the carpet, all that sand, the rice. This is a really good vacuum. And the filter, it hasn't even gotten dirty. I've used this for many weeks, and the filter is no clean. Do over here where that mirror was. You can just hear it picking up all that dirt that the other Dyson doesn't know. All that dirt. It's was sad to think that a $549 Dyson would leave this much dirt in your carpet. Let's go to the hard floors. You can hear the stuff that is left on the hard floors. I got the stuff that you spit out when I was cleaning the rug. Get through this hard floor real quick. You can hear this stuff in here that it missed. This vacuum has better suction and airflow than the other one. I believe this is 280 air watts, 260, 50. Not exactly sure, but I know that it is the most airflow of any vacuum cleaner, which is why it cleans hard floors so good. Let's go this way. See everything that it left behind. And if you get down, look at all that sand. Look at all that sand coming up that the other Dyson left in the carpet. That's nasty. So much that was white in the carpet. Look at all that hair. This is the Dyson versus Dyson video. I'd like to know which Dyson performs the best. And I'm pretty sure you can already tell that it's this one. Sometimes I leave the burner on and it's like right, just like a leaf track that actually came up. Listen to this. And let's see if we can see any of it pop up. Look at all that coming into the bin that the other one left behind. All that rice should have been able to be picked up. You can see it all coming into the vacuum bin. And it's just, this is a really, really, really good vacuum. And now the carpet looks clean. Before it still looks a little dirty. Listen to that. This is a very tightly woven burger carpet. And obviously the Dyson cinetic canister wasn't able to clean it. But as you can hear and tell by this vacuum, it does a fantastic job. Almost all picked up. I can still hear it picking up some rice. Like I said, it's a very tightly woven Gerber carpet. Go over this one more time, just to make sure we get everything up. So, now let's take a look at the bin and see everything that the other one left behind. You can see there is a ton of dirt. We're actually going to dump it out right here on the floor. And look at this. This right here, everyone, is all of the dirt, dust, sand, and everything else that the other one left behind. You can see there's not a lot of hair because it did an okay job at getting up the hair. But look at all this right here. This is all the dirt that Dyson left in the carpet because it doesn't have a power brush roll. It just has an air turbine brush roll with really soft bristles. I don't know why Dyson would do that, because they should know that the performance wasn't going to be good. But obviously they produced it and sold it and they thought it was good. But the proof is right here. The air turbine in the brush roll does not work good. So I would save your money. Go get a $299 Dyson Ball multi-floor instead of a $549 $49 canister Dyson, because this will work way better than that. So let me know what you think about the results of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. It's me, Code 1996. I'm sorry, but in the middle of my last video, my camera shut off, even though it said it had an hour and a half left of battery power. But this is as far in as to the big mess as we got. You can see there's still a whole bunch of big mess on the floor that we need to clean up. But I filled the bin up all the way to the top. So I'm going to show you how it is to empty when it's this full. You know, I don't know if you'll fill it up as much as I did, all the way up to the top past the max line. But you can see it's really full. So it worked all the way until this clogged right here with dirt. So it was fantastic. So all you have to do is hit this red button here, and actually I'm going to pull the rainbow over because, you know, I hate dust. So I'm going to pull this over while I empty. You'll be able to see all the dust going to the rainbow. You can see a lot of the dirt is stuck in there. I'm going to give it, shake it around. There's actually a little thing right here on the back. Right here. That you can use to stick up there and pull out the dirt. Just like so. There's a ton of dirt packed in here. It doesn't have that big of a bin.